Okay, so I have again this bracket. I made some improvements on it, and it's actually very strong. I've been using the old one for quite a long time, the one that I blackened up. This one is my reserve, but I wanted to use it because I'm planning on putting another accessory beside a cell phone holder. So the one on the right will be the cell phone holder. The other one is another accessory. It could be a camera or a voltmeter or a cell phone charger or both. We'll put it on the click now. Just remove this. There you go. Yeah, I don't know if I still have washer for that. I think I lost it. Anyway, it will work without a washer. This will serve as a washer instead. Okay, just like that. Turn it up until it tightens like that. And put the thing in the right position. Put your mirror in the right position as well. Then tighten it up. It tightens up. I think this is counterclockwise, right? And put in resistance on the other side. Okay. Looks good. Okay, what's the technique again? Gradually put it up like that, put in the washer. I don't think I needed the washer anymore. Yeah, maybe not. Let's try without a washer. Just put it in reserve. Yeah, I think that will work. There's a difference of angle. Okay, as I said, there, not really tight, and then put it like that. Then it's time to tighten it up. Why am I pushing it on the wrong direction? Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. That's tight enough. Looks good.